Hey, what's up guys, it's Demise Media here. Before we get into this video, I want to start off with my sponsor for the video. It's Hamilton Beach Mini Drip. Now, if you are in the market for a coffee machine, this is the brand new, it just came out. Brand new coffee machine. It comes with the croissant inside. Not saying if it's moldy or not, but you never know. And it comes, yeah, it's brand new. Came out in 2020. So that's my sponsor, guys. Alright, cool. We got a box. What can it be?
Oh my freaking gosh.
Look what we got, boys. We have the Mini Drip 4-cup coffee maker with lighted switch from none other, Hamilton Beach.
Filters. Order direct from Hamilton Beach. Yeah, that's a good little pamphlet from back in the day for your nostalgic purposes. Okay. Limited 1-year warranty. Let's take this bad boy out.
So this is everything that it came with. It came with the Mini Drip thingy itself, where you put the water in. I guess that's the lid. This is the 4-cup coffee thingy where you have coffee in there. There's this thing, there's the coffee filters. Like I said, I got myself some of these from Walmart for like $1 something. Hamilton Beach. I mean, this is cool. This is a nice little throwback to old school coffee makers that they don't make anymore, you know. So I'm a fan of little small cutesy things like this, and it's pretty legit, and hopefully it works. How to use
2 minutes, 45 seconds.
lid on top, and this goes lighter. Really have no clue, buddy. Okay, let's try it out. Okay. This is small. Look at my hand. It's fucking can grab this whole thing. Whoa, dude. That's pretty badass. See that? So right now what I'm doing is just cycling it through with water first, and then I'll go ahead and add the Gaffy. Well, alright, so cycled through with 3 cups of water, 3.5 cups. It is hot to the touch, very hot. As you can see, the steam smells like something's burning, which I don't know. It's plastic crap. I don't know if it's crazy. So, good job on the water. Next, Gaffy. Ooh, today we have a nice pike roast from Starbucks. Look at that. Joints. coffee. Yeah. Okay. There. Jesus, I'm retarded.
Two minutes, 45 seconds.
Ooh, very hot to the touch. Very hot, which is a good sign. Nobody wants cold coffee. Drink iced coffee? No, I'm just kidding. That is good. Good stuff. Personally, me, when I go to a Starbucks or I go to Pete's Coffee or I go anywhere, I usually order just a tall coffee with nothing. No sugar. No creamer. No milk. Or as my son calls it, milk. Okay, I don't order that. I just order straight up coffee. I want the real stuff. No chaser. I'm very happy with this little mini drip by Hamilton Beach. It is working so far. It's extremely hot coffee. You can see the steam. I don't know if you can see the steam. Really? I was afraid that it wasn't going to work or it wasn't going to brew hot coffee. And it brews extremely hot coffee. So, and it's just cute, man. It's hella small. It's like, let me put my head next to it. See? Hello. My head's bigger than this damn thing. Look at this. So, I mean, one of the red flags though, one of the things about it that is kind of that I don't like is the smell. It smells like something's burning, and it's old. These are definitely really old, so they probably made upgrades. Obviously, they've made upgrades throughout all the years, but up in this plastic region up here, it gets really, really hot, and it smells like the plastic is burning. Ooh, that is freaking good. Freaking good, man. I really like it. I really like it a lot. Look at, it's freaking tiny. Looks like I got all the grounds, which is good. My girlfriend and I have been using the DeLonghi espresso machine maker. That's cool if you want shots of espresso, which is good, but sometimes I just want a nice little cup of regular old Joe. And my other method of making coffee was the mocha pot. So the thing with the mocha pot is that you just put it on the stove top or a burner, and it's like espresso too. It's really strong, really, really heavy. You know, you have to clean the machine itself, the mocha pot, pretty much after every use. So with this, I really wanted to go back to a drip machine, which is probably like the most popular style of coffee that people drink here in America. And it's, you know, I was like, if I want just drip coffee like I get from Starbucks or Pete's, what do I want? Do I want a new one? Nah. Do I want a mini one? Yes, I want something that looks cool, something that when I look at it, I'm like, wow, that's vintage, that's old school. It's small. It's going to take up a little amount of space since we already have the espresso machine and I have the mocha pot. So it's just another alternative to coffee. Now, I did order another one, Mr. Coffee Jr. So that video's coming out soon if I get the damn package already. So this shit is good. It works. So far so good. You never know. But I'm very happy. This is hot, man. This is some hot shit, son. By the way, favorite coffee mug of all time. Thank you all very much for watching. It's Demise Media coming at you with coffee.